just going to give you a little walk round video of this lovely little Maserati. Rifle grey, got a little tinge of sort of green. It's a really nice colour. Originally from Italy, obviously left-hand drive, you've read all about it. Let's start here at the front corner and carefully show you around. So all the wheels have been refurbished about a year ago, I think, all diamond cut, they're all in super condition, tyres are all good. And the car has been repainted a few years ago, there's no signs of rust anywhere. I'll try and go very close so you can see the condition of the paintwork. Bumper's all nice, it's been fitted with some fog lights there. Show you each wheel. We have got some photographs of the underneath of the car, and we do have a ramp available if anybody wanted to come over. I can always pop it on the ramp and show you. Looks like it's got rear window blinds as well. While I'm here, I'll just show you, we've got the original handbook pack for the car and some few stamps in here from the early days, service history in Italy. We've got the original document, like the registration certificate from 1989 in Italy. Some previous MOTs, no advisories. At the moment it is MOT'd until August 20, but we can put a new MOT on. There's some receipts here in the UK over the years. 2017 gearbox fluid change, diff oils, rather large bill here in August 19, spark plugs, looks like brakes, disc pads, 2400. Let's have a look on this one, November 19, alternator, power cable, and then it's just had 20th of May 20 a service done, and it's also had the belt change, so just had £400 spent there. Original little torch, Maserati torch. It's got the toolkit in the boot as well, it's complete. Bit of dust. You can see a little bit dry there up the pillar on the lacquer. I mean, there's a few little imperfections, but it's a really nice, clean, tidy, presentable car. Had a nice drive in it yesterday, dries well. I'll open the door here and show you on the passenger side. Interior is very good, there's just a little bit of a tear on the driver's seat, which I'm going to show you. Headlining, this bit is saggy on the front. Little bit starting there on the back, all in nice condition, but it's just probably wants re-sticking. Maserati, lovely little clock there, unfortunately it doesn't work. Don't know if they're fused, we haven't looked at it, but it's not ticking. Windscreen, no marks, windscreen has been replaced, so there's no stone chips on the windscreen. So as I say, we'll sell it with a year's MOT. Let's show you the driver's side. And the mileage in kilometres is 38,287. Now on the driver's seat we've got stitching's come apart there, probably wants massaging back and stitching in. Otherwise a little bit fluffy there on the bolsters, leather's all nice. Right, let's just press the boot button. I think it's that one. I'll show you in the boot. So there we are. Any questions? If you'd like to give us a call, best ways to come up, have a look if you're interested, take it for a little drive. So Maserati 2 litre, 2.2, manual gearbox. Make a great little car for somebody, this. Full description on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Thank you for watching.